Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get Manus AI invitation code through the best method. So Manus AI is gaining attention for its advanced AI capabilities, but accessing it requires an invitation code. And if you're looking for the best way to get Manus AI invite, follow these methods to secure your access quickly. So first way is joining the official Manus AI waitlist. So you'll have to visit the manus.ai page, click on activate your account button. Now simply click on apply for access button here, then enter your email where you're constantly updated, then simply type how can Manus AI help you. So after typing in how you plan to use Manus, you'll have to simply click on submit request, and the more details you provide about your needs, the better they can tailor their solution to your needs. So click on submit request here and provide your email and basic details to get notified when new invites are available. Now, another way is following Manus AI on social media like Twitter, Discord, and Reddit. So, these are the best platforms where Manus AI shares updates. Sometimes they drop free invite codes for early users. Now, third way to do this is joining the Manus AI Discord server. So, you can engage in community and some members may even share their invite with you. Now, you can look for referral programs. So some early access users may receive invite codes to share with others. You can check for AI focused forums or Reddit communities like R Artificial Intelligence to get these referral programs. Now, if you're a content creator, developer, or researcher, you can reach out to Manus AI support explaining your use case. They sometimes provide priority access to those who can contribute feedback. So, getting a Manus AI invitation code may take some patience, but using the waitlist, social media, Discord, and referrals increase your chances to get the referral code easily. So, stay active in the AI community and you will likely secure access soon. So that is the simple way through which you can get invite access for Manus AI. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.